friends, this is Puja from Berry's Diary, and today I'm at Alexander Moore Memorial Gardens, very close to Yonge Eglinton. So yes, was a bit sunny in the morning, but now a bit overcast right now. The birds are chirping. This garden is full of nature, as you can see, and it's very exciting to be here still. And I will be exploring a lot of Yonge Eglinton. And so I'm very excited to take you along with me so that we all can explore together Yonge Eglinton Midtown in Toronto, Canada. Had an exciting time at Alexander Moore Gardens, now heading to explore Yonge Eglinton. Friends, as you can see that there's a lot of construction work going on in Yonge Eglinton as the rail line is under construction in Toronto, which is supposed to be a game changer, enhancing the transportation system and will improve connectivity. This is expected to be completed in September 2022. Now walking past West Elm, which is one of my favorite stores. It offers a wide variety of modern furniture, home accessories and kitchen items. So let's check out. After all this walking, I'm feeling hungry. No better way to enjoy a spicy Indian lunch at an exciting Indian restaurant, Cow Gully.